So here with me, I've got two types of lenses. On my left side here, I've got what we call a convex lens, and on my right hand side here, I have what we call a concave or a diverging lens. All right, so this is how they look. So what does this one do? This is a converging, by the way, so it's a converging, this one. Okay, the other name is convex, or you can call it converging, there's no problem. And this one is a concave, or you can call it a diverging, because this one, whenever the light rays are coming from one direction, whenever they hit the surface here, they diverge like that. But with this one, they converge, that means they meet at a certain point, which we call the focal point. So how do we draw the light rays as they are moving from this side to the other side, any side? Okay, so this is how you do it. So what you do is this. So let me just pick maybe 4 lines. All right, so we do this. So we have a line here. Okay, let me just draw them. Don't mind my drawing. I'm just drawing them like that. Let me also have another one. Let me also have another one. Another one. Another one. Okay, so these are my light rays. So they are going in that direction. So what you need to do is that we have the main axis, we call it the principal axis. That is the one which is going to pass through in the middle here. Okay, this is a principal axis because it's passing through the middle like that. Then how do we join these? So once they hit the surface here, okay, they bend at a certain angle. So they'll bend. Even when they reach again the other surface here, they'll bend again, maybe like that. All right, same thing will happen to here. It will come, maybe it will bend again. So they'll be meeting at a common point called the focal point. Even this one will do the same. It will come, okay, but it will pass through there. Even this one, it will come and it will still pass through there. You've seen, eh? That is the focal point. Well, this one here is what we call the optical center. This is the optic center. This is the focal point. The focal point where all the rays of light are meeting. Okay. Then what of on this one? How do we draw the light rays? Well, even this one, the light rays are going to come in the same way. So they'll come. All right. It will come. Then we have the main guy which will pass through there. Okay. Then we have, let's say, maybe another one too, another two, like that. So we have like that, like that, like that, like that. So this is our main guy. That is a C. Okay. That is a C there. So these, they diverge. So when they hit here, they will bend. Okay. They will bend, and it also bends like that. Okay. Even this one, do the same. It will bend like that. Even this one, it will come and it will bend. This one will come and it will bend like that. So this is how they diverge. The focal point will still be there, but they won't pass through it, because they remember that their focal point instead comes out like this. Check it out. Their focal point comes like this. Okay. They are diverged. Their focal point comes from this side now, like that. So they end up meeting from the back. Okay. So they end up meeting from the back. So this is our focal point for this one. So that's how it's done. And I hope it has made sense to you. That's how you draw the layers of light for a convex and a concave.